Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change system language on your XIAOMI TV Box 3S. First, we're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on the home screen to open Quick Settings menu. Here, select gear icon once again. Then scroll down to the system menu that has the monitor icon next to it and open it. Then scroll down to language menu, which has globe icon next to it, and then select the language that you want to switch to. So now once again, I'm gonna switch from a foreign language just to show you how it works. First of all, navigate to the gear icon, then open Settings by selecting gear icon right here, then select System, then go to Language, and here select the language that you need. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.